first time ever.
Warning acts of terror.
We are ready to engage with a two-state solution.
Some of his most senior cabinet members
The drivers of a new economic age.
We're excited to announce that we're doing a 500 megawatt. 500
megawatt.
500 megawatt. Yeah.
We're doing 500 megawatts.
Sorry,
Not
there's
quite, yeah.
yeah. No, there's 500 gigawatt one. We'll have to wait. That'll be $8 bazillion trillion.
Stop that.
So yeah, we're doing a xAI, and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia are doing a
Humane, 500 megawatts, starting with 50 megawatts phase one, and we're doing it with NVIDIA.
Yeah.
Congratulations to the Humane team, to Targ and team. Such a fantastic job.
Today we are exploring a major strategic development in global tech and geopolitics. Saudi Arabia's backing of xAI and the creation of an immense data-centric projects. We'll break it down step by step. Now, what's planned, why it matters, and what the ripple effects will be. Let's begin. What is the deal first? Now, xAI, the artificial intelligence NCE firm co-founded by Elon Musk, is partnering with Saudi Arabia's state-backed AI firm, Humane, which was launched in May 2025 under the kingdom's strategy. Now, the planned data center facility is to be very large, up to 500 megawatts of power consumption. Saudi Arabia's Humane is backed by the kingdom's sovereign wealth fund, the Public Investment Fund or PIF, and aims to dramatically scale artificial intelligence infrastructure, including building gigawatt scale data centers and attracting global tech partners. Now, the deal ties together three major themes: computing power for AI, Saudi Arabia's diversification away from oil, and Elon Musk xAI's push to scale in global AI infrastructure. So at a high level, Saudi Arabia has become a major infrastructure provider for artificial intelligence. xAI gets the compute, land and energy advantages. Globally, this shapes the race for AI dominance. Now, why Saudi Arabia? Saudi Arabia offers several structural advantages: abundant land, relatively low cost energy, favorable climate for large scale infrastructure, and high state control that allows rapid deployment. Humane has set a target of powering 6 to 7% of global AI workloads by 2030. It also envisages building up to 6.6 gigawatts of AI data-centric capacity, costing tens of billions of dollars. The real reason Saudi Arabia enters this game is clear. As oil revenues face long-term pressures, the kingdom wants to diversify and control future-facing industry. By becoming a major AI hub, it shifts from being a raw resources economy to a technology platform economy. Now, what is the takeaway? For xAI, partnering with Saudi means access to vast infrastructure, state support, and a new geographic base outside the US, China, high-cost markets. Why xAI or Elon Musk? Now, xAI is in a global race with firms like OpenAI and Anthropic, and heavy compute is critical. For example, advanced models require tens or hundreds of thousands of GPUs. xAI is reportedly preparing for a valuation between US dollar 170 billion and 200 billion, with Saudi PIF expected to play a role. The infrastructure deal gives xAI an edge, a large new data center outside US jurisdiction, possibly lower costs and diversification of risk. For Musk, it represents a strategic move to globalize computing capability and tap state scale resources. So this is not just a deal about buildings and servers, it's about who controls the future of intelligence, and compute is the backbone. Now, what are the strategic and even the geopolitical implications? The tech geopolitics, when Saudi Arabia becomes a major artificial intelligence infrastructure provider, it gains strategic leverage in the global tech supply chain. The United States recently relaxed some export controls on AI chips to the Middle East, with signals this is politically supported. So by hosting xAI's center, Saudi Arabia aligns closely with United States or Western technology while balancing its own regional and global ambitions. Then regional power and economic diversification. Now, Saudi Arabia's move adds to its Vision 2030 transformation from oil reliant to technology oriented economy. It also opens new sectors for employment, infrastructure, and global partnership. Now, what is the competitive landscape? For global artificial intelligence players, compute capacity location matters. Energy cost, climate, regulatory, environment. This Saudi deal could shift the center of gravity for large-scale artificial intelligence training outside the traditional hubs, and that's US, China, or even Europe. Now let's also understand what can be the export controls or maybe some other risk or challenges. Advanced AI chips and military applications are sensitive. The deal could face Western or even Chinese pushback. Infrastructure execution risk. Humans targets are aggressive, building gigawatts of artificial intelligence data center capacity is complex. Reputational and governance aspects. Saudi Arabia's human rights record or technology alliances may raise global scrutiny. Now, what to watch? The next formal announcement of site location, power consumption figures, partner list, example xAI, Humane, Nvidia, AMD, Cisco. Second, deployment of xAI's model like Grok or chatbot in Saudi Arabia. To what extent local rollout happens. Third, Saudi Arabia's claim of percentage share of global artificial intelligence workload. Will it deliver the 6 to 7% target? Then next, US or Western export control developments and how chip supply evolves. Fifth, the competitive reaction, how OpenAI respond, how other Middle East states, UAE, Qatar adjust. So let's quickly wrap it up. The Saudi xAI data center deal is more than just a business contract. It's a strategic signal. It points to a future where artificial intelligence infrastructure become globally distributed. Saudi Arabia moves into the tech axis and Musk xAI gains a global launching pad. For India, for Asia, for global strategy, this means partnerships will no longer be just about software. They will be about land, energy, compute, and geopolitical alignment. We must watch this space carefully. If you find this video breakdown valuable, like the video, do subscribe for more such strategic insights, and I'll see you in the next video. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.